Hi, it's Emily, and I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what my burn list was for this week. So for week one, I said that I wanted to plan and enhance my PHP routing skills and improve my knowledge of the Blade templating system, since those two are pretty vital when it comes to understanding Laravel, and since I'm definitely more of like the front end oriented. It's like my way of focusing on the front end while also still on the back end. Um, so I chose that skill because I want to obviously improve my front end skills while also practicing my back end. I planned to achieve that by making a project that used the different kinds of routing, which I did. And so then by the end of week two, I said I want to improve my CRUD skills. So since in the second week I will be working on the actual shopping cart functionality of the application for this e-commerce site, I figured that would be a good way to throw in my CRUD skills, because I want to make sure that I'm understanding how to pass like ID specific information between pages. And the shopping cart does almost all of the components of CRUD anyway, so there will be a nice way to blend them. By the end of week three, I want to improve my databasing, so I changed this. I originally had said that I was going to do something else with Node for week three, but then I decided that I'm just going to do my Mongoose databasing that week, so that way by the end of week four, I can maybe mess around with Python a little bit, since we had mentioned before that that would be allowed, and we don't really get a chance to mess with it, and there are a lot of jobs looking for Python. So I'll probably do CRUD for both of them, maybe e-commerce for Node, we'll have to see. So on my project and portfolio website, you can see this most recent piece of solo work that I did. This is the link to the GitHub where the code is. And so this is just a little code snippet. This is just a master template. So if we were to go to here, we can see the actual project itself. So I just have this basic bootstrap navigation, and so this is saying that this is serving from mainpage.index. So I have a folder called main page, and that's the index page that I have set to load right away. And so that's in this route where it says main page.index. So this view, which would be found under these main page folders, .index, serving from main page index. And so then you can go to page 2 and main page.2, so it's changing what views are being served. And then for page 4, I threw in a practice way of sending the view to the controller by setting the route to say go to this specific function or method, I guess, in this main controller when \4 is what the route is. So I made a controller and called main controller that then is choosing to serve the view from there, and this is where I would put a bunch of different functionality for authorization or for data processing, like if any calls to my model would all be made in here. So yeah, that was my week one solo project, and for week two I look forward to enhancing my CRUD. Thanks for watching.